My name is Megan Tesseldar, and my unit plan is for 11th grade on The Great Gatsby. This unit focuses on the symbolism in The Great Gatsby. This unit plan incorporates a combination of standards, the Common Core Standards for English Language Arts for grades 11 through 12, and the California State Standards for History, as well as technology standards that incorporate digital technology into the lesson to better their writing skills as well as their analytical and critical thinking skills. My unit plan also incorporates Bloom's taxonomy, which is a classification system used to define and distinguish different levels of human cognition. Along with Bloom's taxonomy, I will use Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences to make sure that I reach every child and their own individual learning style. My unit on The Great Gatsby incorporates activities for every learning style to make sure every student is engaged and learning in their own way. My verbal linguistics students will enjoy discussing questions in a Socratic seminar format and then put this information into a presentation that they will share with the class. Students who are bodily kinesthetic will enjoy breaking into groups to arrange and create lists of different words relating to the story, and then reform these groups throughout the lesson based on the differing and ever-changing word list. Visual spatial learners will be able to create prezzies that show visual examples of the connections made by their groups, which will appeal to their interest in using physical imagery. They will present these to the class and see the other students' presentations as well. Musical learners will have the opportunity to create their own soundtrack for the novel and create a playlist of at least 10 songs that will fit key plot points. They will also listen to 1920s jazz music while writing their daily warm-ups, which will help connect them to the time and theme of the novel. Interpersonal students will enjoy working in groups during Socratic seminars where they can interact with others and get immediate feedback. They will also enjoy posting their comments on the other students' presentations on the class website where they can initiate and receive comments and conversations related to the projects. Intrapersonal learners will be able to write in their journals daily where they will make connections between their own feelings and those of the characters. They will be able to spend time thinking and reflecting on their own behaviors and actions and connect them to those of the characters, which will then be used in their final projects. Naturalists will classify and reclassify words based on different topics and places where they are used in the book. They will also make connections between weather patterns and their placement in the novel, effectively connecting weather with symbolism and its importance. Lastly, the logical mathematical students will create a cause and effect chart that will map out the decisions of the characters and the effects these decisions had on the novel. They will also use logic to determine if key conflicts in the novel could have been solved in a different way, and if so, how this would affect the outcome of the characters involved. The final product for this unit will be the completion of the web quest, which includes a cause and effect chart, a short essay, a Venn diagram, and an argumentative speech that incorporates all aspects of the unit until this point. By incorporating all the multiple intelligences in this unit plan and the assessments, I am confident that my students will succeed with this project and that they will not only remember the material, but will be able to use it to achieve the highest level of learning according to Bloom's taxonomy, which is to take the remembered knowledge and use it to create and evaluate while applying it to other aspects of their lives. Throughout this class, I learned the importance of incorporating technology into my daily lessons, not simply as a means to an end, but as a tool to enhance my students' learning and to teach them to think outside of the box. I have also learned that in order to help my students reach Bloom's taxonomy's highest level of thinking, which is creating, it is imperative to create lessons and assessments that reach all of their multiple intelligences to ensure that every student has an opportunity to learn in their own way. I truly believe that because of this class, I will be better able to utilize Bloom's taxonomy and Howard Gardner's multiple intelligences theory to reach my students and improve their learning.